many tacos have you made in your life?
That's funny you asked that because we're about to do the millionth taco.
Let's just say this is the millionth.
This could be the millionth taco.
It could be.
We're close.
I'm having the millionth taco right now.
We're regularly asked, so what are the kind of people that come here? Go stand on a corner in Midtown and watch for a few hours all the people walk by. That's the demographic. All walks of life, from all over the world, all professions.
It's a microcosm of the city.
It's a microcosm of the city, but they're in shorts and flip-flops. The diversity in this yard is that.
You called this the yard.
That's a yard.
I've never been in a restaurant where anybody referred to any part of the restaurant as a yard.
It feels like the backyard.
I love that. I don't want you to change it.
And it feels like he's not barbecuing, but he's cooking in the backyard. And we're throwing a party in the backyard, because before we had this place, we were just really good at throwing backyard parties. We just partnered with a brilliant chef that was awesome at feeding thousands of people, and bartenders that were good at feeding thousands of drinks.
Let's crush this.
Okay.
So what are we doing?
We're gonna fry some fish.
I love that. So 350-degree fryer.
Yep. This is flour, Mexican oregano, salt, pepper, and
Other things you don't have to say.
Okay.
I don't like when the chef tells the whole recipe. All you need to know is salt, pepper, fish.
We're gonna throw some tortillas down on the grill.
Just on one side and then a touch of cooking oil.
Yep. Then we put our spiced mayo on it.
That's generous with the mayo there. I like it.
Yeah, you need some of the,
You need that richness with the fish.
Exactly.
It's easy, but there are a lot of steps.
There are a few steps, yes.
Look at this, you with the cilantro. I've plated dishes in 3-star restaurants that had fewer steps than this.
I know.
You're a tough crowd.
Okay.
This feels like holding my child. This weighs like, it's heavy.
It's a meal. Here you go, guys.
Surfers are quality of lifers that love life. They love food, they love drink, they love life.
So I've never surfed in my life, and I never will.
Even if we got you a lesson, we can get you a complimentary lesson.
I'll try.
And there's no better activity. I won't call it a sport because it's a lifestyle. Worldwide, surfers are like-minded. No matter where you go, you're gonna run into people that are on the same wavelength, real surfers, soul surfers. You're all gonna be speaking the same language, you're most, embracing, warm.
So first lesson is don't steal the waves. That could be something you in the restaurant, like don't steal
you
your
can steal
food.
his waves, though. You can steal his waves.
You can steal his waves. So how did this happen, you guys? You met, you started
Cosmic.
Cosmic?
I think that we were all focused on delivering a quality product. We didn't have the experience, but we knew from our just patronizing regular places, we knew we wanted to give good service.
I would say that to me, I came here and I just felt like this is a place where all the community can come and gather and everyone's the same. Are you taking my drink?
I'm just curious
too drunk.
if he made you a good one.
I made it, so don't blame him. Tell me what this drink is called.
It's called the Epic Journey of Radness.
Ooh, that's a lot.
Smile when you shake, 12 shakes.
Okay. This really does feel epically rad.
This is one of our signature cocktails.
It has to come as
It
is.
has to be made perfectly every time.
I don't normally ask, what did the hurricane do? But I mean, I experienced Sandy too. I live in Manhattan, so I'm sort of like, oh yeah, right. So there's like a little wind and some rain, we're gonna be fine. And I was not at all fine.
It was definitely a struggle, but in a lot of ways I feel like the neighborhood really came together and it galvanized the area.
Yeah, you kind of stripped down the human elements. There was no running water, there was no gas, there was no power. Right, for months there was no power. That was right when it was getting cold.
Why do you stay?
Where are you gonna go?
It's our home.
It's your home. Yeah.
You could have done a lot of things, but you stayed. I think that was a real choice that I admire.
The best part of these is that you do make a mess, but you have to embrace the mess. We don't have any napkins here, so we're just gonna have to wipe it on our legs. You gonna drink all that? Because I feel like a slug over here.
How many people do you have working back here?
10 in here.
10! In a storage container, making a million tacos.
Exactly.
10 people, one storage container, a dream.
And a million tacos.
And a million tacos. That's amazing.
Can I pee before you do more? I really gotta pee.
If you have to go.
Because you guys were late, I had like 7 beers.